Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about arrays. So we have already covered function and variables in our last videos, so go check it out if you haven't watched those. So let's talk about arrays now. So what is an array? Array is a type of data which can store multiple elements in a single variable. Just like, let's suppose I'm taking an array x, and whenever you are writing an array, you just have to mention these two, like square brackets. So inside this square bracket you have to add those elements that you want to add. Let's suppose I want to add a name, and then you have to separate this value just by adding this comma. So this is one element and this is another. Let's suppose element 2, and this is a item 1. Okay, so let's suppose you are adding one more item here. So I'm console logging this value here, console log. So as you can see, we are seeing these three items in this array. So let's suppose you want to fetch this value, this one only, this first value of this array. So what we have to do is, let's suppose I'm taking another variable called first item, and whenever you want to access the first item, you have to put 0 inside these square brackets, which means the first elements of this array. So array starts from 0, and this is 1 and this is 2. So this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So let's console log this first item and see. As you can see that we are getting this first item here. So if you want to access the second, then put in 1 here, and you will see it is showing this 1. Let's suppose, yeah, you can see this is the item 2 we are getting from this array. And there are so many methods in array, just like you can do, like, let's suppose y equal to slice x dot slice from 1 to 2, and console log this y. Let's see what we get. So what this slice function does is take this, it starts from 1, like this is it is starting from this one and ending here. So that's why we are getting item 2 here. So let's suppose I want to slice the value from start the beginning and to the 2 item. So that's why we are getting item 1 and item 2. So there are so many other array methods out there, so I will cover those in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.